Breaking an attempted stranglehold isn't too difficult if you know how. When two men meet in physical combat, it's generally the better conditioned one who walks away victoriously. So these lads are learning to meet an enemy in any kind of fracas on an equal basis. That means they must forget American rules of good sportsmanship for the present. To save their lives, they must fight foul, just like their opponents fight. Here, little 140-pounders learn how to cut heavyweights down to their own size without the aid of an axe. It's not our kind of fighting, but that's how they want it, so that's what they'll get. Brother. Yup, it's more blessed to give than to receive. The Japs know their jiu-jitsu, so our guys are taught how to protect themselves from such holds as this by giving it this and polishing them off thus. Oh. Our kids catch on to this catch-as-catch-can crunching, but quickly. Careful, don't break it off, bub. And when you're in a foxhole, you overcome your opponent's advantage that way. The use of a stick or a sheathed bayonet as a silent, deadly weapon is another trick taught us by the honorable men of Japan. Also. Make with a stick? Yes, Tojo. Our leathernecks are learning very fast. Watch it. Ouch. Cute, eh? In Malaya, the Japs introduced this method of killing sentries before they could cry out. Okay, so be it. It's a quick way to snap a Jap, or nip a Nazi, or fricassee a fascist. One treatment like this and the patient stops worrying, but completely. Say, he ain't kidding. Man-to-man contact is practiced throughout this training. Psychologically, this breaks down natural inhibitions and gets them into the habit of really going to town in practice. Oh, sure, they're protected pretty well, yet those naked bayonets and skull-jarring rifle butts ain't beanbags, kiddies. See what I mean? Marines have always been able to take it, but from here in, they're going to be in better shape than ever before to dish it out. And now they get used to working with naked blades and unprotected bodies. Hold it, pal. Remember, this is practice. Watch this one.